Hello, Balikatan! Hello, Canada! Hello, world! This video that we just showed to you was created by our high school students in Bacolod with a simple cell phone. This traditional old song is being taught to about 1,000 children in a week through our Read to Grow program at Means. We advocate OSAIC, online, offline, sexual abuse, and exploitation of children through our RTG curriculum. We twisted this song a little bit, and it goes like this. I have decided, okay and good Dutch. I have decided, bawal ang bad touch. I have decided, sabihing ayaw. Magsumbong ka, magsumbong ka. This song reminds the children what is a good touch, what is a bad touch. Magsumbong ka, wag magsekreto. This song was written in 1877. And who made this song famous? Ask your friend next to you. Sino? Sino nagpasikat nito? Or the person on your right? The person on your front? The person at the back? Tama sila! George Beverly Shea during the evangelistic tent meetings with Billy Graham. Today, I want to share my story through this song. I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back, no turning back. Thank you for inviting me today to share my story through video. I'm sorry I'm not able to be with you today due to this terrible big C, not cancer, COVID. I was excited pa naman to come after 8 years. The last time I was with Balikatan was in Minnesota in 2016. Nako, 8 years na pala yun. Ayo, do you know Ayo? Tanong mo sa friend mo sa kanan mo at sa kaliwa. Kilala mo ba si Ayo? Ayo, the Korean pop star, will be here in Chicago on July 25 to have a concert. But I opt to be in Balikatan and registered. So once again, I will miss Balikatan this year. I was excited to see old friends, familiar and new faces. I was excited when I saw the names of the Vasquez ladies in the registration list. Hello to Lisa and Tess. I hope you'll enjoy your first experience with Balikatan. My story today is not so dramatic, just an ordinary story, and God made it extraordinary. I have decided to follow Jesus. In Luke 9:23 it says, whoever wants to be my disciple must deny themselves and take up their cross daily and follow me. I grew up in a Christian home. The family members on my maternal side were pioneers of church planting and mission involvement in their communities. In fact, my grandfather was the first convert to Christianity in his hometown in 1930s. He offered his land to build a church there, and now stands the La Carlota Evangelical Church. The Christian values was taught to me, and church involvement was part of our daily activities at home. Our home was always open to visiting missionaries or Bible students from PBS and Harris Memorial Bible School. But one day, during high school, I realized my family's faith and belief cannot change me as a person. It was during a Bible study in our house that made me realize I had to make my own personal commitment to God. Christ's purpose on earth, His purpose in my life. That night, I gave myself to Him and accepted Jesus Christ as my personal Savior. I have decided to follow Jesus. My conversion is not as dramatic as others because I've been very much involved and active in the church. It was in my involvement with InterVarsity Christian Fellowship that had helped me, molded me in my journey to Christian life. I have learned to help others, serve the poor, and get involved in missions. It was in 1972 when I joined Kawayan Camp 52 years ago. Side story. Your investment to IBCEP students today will have a great ROA, return of investment. Give now. Support IBCF. No turning back. No turning back. I never thought that when I said yes to serving means in 1986, I would be serving God through means for 38 years as of today. There is no retirement in serving God's kingdom. Like the Energizer Bunny that never runs out of energy, I will continue to be an Energizer Bunny. Lord willing, I will never give up. My side story. What this means? It is a mission organization based in Chicago. We are run and managed by volunteers composed of professionals on our own fields. We encourage our friends here in USA to support missions in the Philippines. We have partnered with IVCF in their advocacy to go back to their communities and serve. We have programs that encourage IVCF students to get involved, like Care of Creation, plant trees, serve a meal, teach literacy through Read to Grow. We have Work for a Cause. We support students to camps, not on freebies, but they have to get involved in a project. Yes, I have decided to follow Jesus. I remember when at a very young age, one of my aunt predicted that I would be a good businesswoman when I grow up. My mom had a home-based bakery business. I sold halo-halo with pretend flavors of strawberry and other flavors using coloring food. I had a ready-to-wear business in Chicago called New York Image. I ventured into furniture business called Home Pleasure Furniture. Sold in Amazon, eBay, all those online selling platforms. All those business adventures failed. I did not become rich. My HR manager 30 years ago had a professional assessment and said that I will be a good office manager. I did not make it to become an office manager while I was employed, but I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back, no turning back. Today, as most of you know, I am running a business in missions. This is means with the help of about 30 volunteers, we send over half a million US dollars to the Philippines annually. That is about 40 million pesos. I've been a successful and creative office manager of means for 38 years. Express my creativity, ability to innovate ministry projects that empower our local ministry partners. I can simply say that it is only God who has made all these things possible. I am an ordinary person with an extraordinary purpose for His kingdom. I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back, no turning back. Thank you to Landy and to your team for recognizing what I do today as one of the alumni in Missions 2024. My motto: act local, serve global missions. Lead where you are. Thank you and God bless you all. Mabuhay ang balikatan! Cheers! Oops, where's my glass? Cheers to balikatan! Cheers! Cheers! Mabuhay ang balikatan at maraming salamat sa lahat. Enjoy balikatan for the rest of the week.